Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on our gold. So make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. We put the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So let's see. Let's see what market will be doing for us for the week. So let's start with our higher time frame to fully understand what gold is doing. Then with that, we're going to make our prediction of what gold is actually going to be giving us. Now let's start with our food trend, and we will zoom it out. So what can you see? It's very clear that gold is giving us a bullish move, which is an uptrend move. So our food trend on gold is an uptrend move. Now this is it here. We had this impulsive move. This impulsive move, if you roll down to your forward time frame, you will see a series of higher high and higher low. Then here comes the pullback phase. And here comes the impulsive move, which is a series of higher high and higher low. We had a series of higher high and higher low. Then here comes the pullback phase. This is also our impulsive move, which is a series of higher high and higher low. And higher high and higher low. Then here comes the pullback phase. Then we had this impulsive move, which is a series of higher high and higher low. And here comes the pullback phase. Remember your impulsive move, when you go to your forward time frame, you will see a series of higher high. And when you go to your lower forward time frame, especially when it is on a pullback phase or a corrective phase, you will see a series of lower low and a lower high. Then here comes the impulsive move. Here is our corrective phase, which is our pullback phase. Here is our impulsive move, which is a series of higher high and higher low. Here comes the pullback phase, which is a pullback which is lower low and a lower high. Then we add this pullback phase, which is lower low and lower high. And now we are on an impulsive move. So this movement, we will be expecting for it to push up and clear this previous high, thereby forming a new higher high. So this is now good opportunity for swing traders to open on the buy on gold. Also position traders, you can also still open on the buy on gold. Day traders, you might want to be looking to sell at the right time, and you might want to be looking to buy at the right time. But for swing traders, this is for the weekly aspect we are talking about. For swing traders, hopping on the buy, as the buy, this is a good opportunity and the best time to actually take the buy on gold. Position traders also, we are still at the best time, best opportunity for you to hop in on the buy on gold. So forward time frame on our weekly time frame aspect on gold. Our weekly time frame on our gold is a bullish move, and we'll be expecting more uptrend move. Now let's go down to the daily time frame. So this is it here. On gold, so we've gotten this higher high. You can see it right. You can see higher high, higher low, higher high. This is clearly a trending market move. You all know once market is trending, you will see a series of higher high and higher low. Markets pushed up, give us high, and here markets corrected itself. Within this correction, we were having a series of lower low and a lower high. You know, one market push up gives an impulsive, expect a correction phase, and this is the correction phase markets did. Which, if you go to your forward time frame, you will see a series of lower low and a lower high. But we are on the daily time frame, and markets pull back. Now market is now pushing up, and it is now continuing the movement. It is actually falling from. So previously we trending down, which is correcting. Now we are now trending upward. So this is an indication that more bullish move is to come on gold. So like I said, swing traders, you can still open on the buy. As you can see on this our gold, markets give us first rejection here. Market give second rejection here. That is an indication that market is failing to break down. So market is failing to break down, to push lower, and market pushed up, pull back, pushed up, pull back, pushed up again. So if you want to enter on the buy, it will be best for you to wait for your pullback, right? It will be the smart thing and an intelligent thing for you to wait for your pullback before you take the buy, which you'll be expecting a new high. Now let's go to the forward time frame. On this forward time frame, on this forward time frame, we are seeing a series of higher high and higher low. This is our first high. Here is our higher low. This is also our second higher high. And here comes the higher low. Here is also our higher high. Here comes the higher low. And here is our higher high. So with this, we should be expecting our higher low to play out anytime soon. So like I said, for day trader, before you hop in on the buy, wait for your pullback to play out. Once your pullback plays out, then you can now go ahead and hop in on the buy, whereby that buy will give us a new higher high. So basically, we are still on an uptrend move. So guys, you'll be expecting new high once our pullback has been made, which is on our forward time frame. So once you get the pullback, you can now go ahead and hop in on the new high. For the week, on this gold also, I think we'll be expecting a bullish move. And let's see our target for the week, which is 11,488. This will be our target for the week. Our target of 4288 on our 1 hour time frame. This is it here. High, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. You can see, then here comes the higher low. And after this higher low, you can now be expecting a new higher high. Once the new higher high forms and it plays out perfectly, then we can now start expecting an higher low. So once we get this higher low, we can now expect another new higher high that will be made to take out this previous high. So new higher high is what we'll be expecting on our gold. New higher high is what you should be expecting on our gold. New higher high is what you should be expecting on our gold. But first, guys, this is a massive bullish move that has been made. Massive impulsive move. So wait for the pullback. Don't go ahead and hop in on the buy. The impulsive move has been made. So just wait for your pullback. Once the pullback plays out, then you can now go ahead and jump in on the buy, which will now give us a new higher high for the week. Just subscribe, stay updated for more updates.